Welcome back. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce, and we're continuing the journey through Setup with Agentforce. Today, we're tackling the heart of admin work, automation. If you ever wish that you can talk a flow into existence instead of hunting for API names, this one's for you. Let's see how Setup with Agentforce turns natural language into powerful logic. My guest today is Product Manager Ritesh Balla. Ritesh, take it away.
Today, we are looking at using Setup with Agentforce with flows. Think of it as an admin who can build flows from natural language. You describe what you need, Agentforce builds it. Let's jump in with a use case. Let's say a lead just converted and we want the lead source value to carry over to the new account. Now you wire up a record triggered flow yourself, find the trigger, add the update element, and map the fields. Instead, I'm going to tell Agentforce what I need. So let's go ahead and give Agentforce our prompt. Agentforce is doing a quick validation check to confirm the prompt is accurate, so we'll go ahead and confirm. And as you can see, Agentforce confirms that the flow is created. Now, to actually take a look at the flow it created, let's head over to the automation app and find it in the list view. Upon refreshing my list view, as you can see, the flow that was just created shows up in the view. Let's go ahead and open up this flow. And just like that, Agentforce understood the trigger, identified the objects, mapped the fields, and built the flow. No drag and drop, no hunting for API names, all in natural language, working the flow out for you. Now, let's make sure it actually built what we asked for. I'll ask Agentforce to summarize the flow. So instead of clicking through each element to understand the logic, let's see if Agentforce can give you a breakdown of what the flow does. There you go. Agentforce gives you a breakdown of what the flow does, what triggers it, and what data it touches. You can understand the whole thing in seconds. Now, one last thing. Let's get a bird's eye view of what's running in the org. So I will give Agentforce a prompt, asking it to show me all the active flows. And as you can see, Agentforce instantly gives me a clean list of every active flow. No navigating to the flow list view, no filtering, just ask Agentforce. So in under 2 minutes, we created a flow from natural language, verified it with a summary, and audited our active flows, all without leaving the setup chat panel. That's Setup with Agentforce.
And that's the power of AI-driven automation. We've gone from a blank canvas to a fully built audited flow in less amount of time than it takes to grab a cup of coffee. No more manual mapping, just pure productivity. Stick around for our next video where we're going to tackle the logic even deeper with formula management. I'll see you there.